Over the last year, the world has been changing rapidly, and not just politically. Almost every 2 weeks, we've been buffeted by major events and whipsawed by new challenges, from hurricanes, flooding, and wildfires, to concerns about nuclear security, terrorism, attacks on the media, and the rise of ethnic and religious prejudice. We've seen a lack of civility and many challenges to our core values as a society and as communities. Deeply embedded in WGBH's mission lies the commitment to helping our audiences understand and cope with dramatically new trends. So we at WGBH feel more than ever the responsibility to create programming that offers a diversity of prisms and perspectives reflecting a changing nation and world.
This isn't about being anti-technology. It's about who controls the way that we work. And I fear the more venture capital controls the labor markets, the harder it will be to build an economy that works for all of us.
The name of the game is individual variation. We are living in a time when we have a field that basically asks the question of, does this program work? Is it effective? Instead of asking, who's it effective for, who is it not?
From one density of medium to another, I wonder if it would scale, and it did. 15% less electricity too, and 10% quieter.
The estimates are somewhere between 70 and 80% of the forest must remain standing, or it will stop raining in the Amazon. If it stops raining in the Amazon, it flips to a savanna.
We created a lot of lower middle class, even low class jobs in the country. The rest of it just kind of flatlined, and you start to see this worrying trend in the middle where we're losing jobs right there in that historically large, stable, prosperous American middle class.
It's about living out your individual or organizational truth, right? Authenticity calls us out of our safe comfort zones and into the deeper waters of transparency and vulnerability.
To be wholeheartedly pro-life then has to include advocacy for pristine air, pure water, and a stable climate, which can nurture and sustain all of God's precious children from conception to natural death.
They've been operating this for over a generation, and it has begun to spread around the world. And this particular Brazilian innovation has had a big impact on local trust in public institutions and the amounts of money targeted to public investments in the city's poorest neighborhoods.
So adolescence is the last period in human development when the brain will ever be that plastic again. That makes it a tremendous opportunity, but we don't think about adolescence as an opportunity because we're too busy just surviving it.
So the Los Angeles Unified School District, the largest in the country, was required by law to start reporting incidents of suicidal behavior among their students. In 2010, the first year of this report, 255 incidents. In 2015, over 5,000.
If a group of young people in one of the most poorest places in America can set goals like 100% energy generation, like 100% water reclamation, my question is, what the hell is everybody else's excuse?